Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Tourist. As all of you are aware, there has been incessant rainfall all over Nepal for last few days, and the situation is very worse in Melansi and other parts of Sindhupalchok district. And the condition of Chitwan isn't very good either. So today I'm going to show you a video of the flooded Narayani river. So this video has been shot from a place called Shivaghat. Shivaghat is just about 5 kilometers from the downtown of Bharatpur. So today is June 15th, and it rained continuously for last 3 days, and because of that, the river has swollen up completely. So this is the downstream of Narayani, and as you can see here, all these logs and tree trunks have been collected from the flooded river by the people living around the rivers. And usually, there are very few people in this area during the evening time because of lockdown, but because there hasn't flood, so everybody from the vicinity, they have come here to see the flood and the view. And this place literally had been like there had been traffic jam here. As you can see, there are so many number of bikes and a number of cars here. From this point, I'm going to take you to another point further to some more views. So now we are right at the riverside at the Narayani beach, and from here you can see the whole of the river. The river used to be quite narrow in the winter season and early spring, but it has many rivers as its tributaries, so it is fed by a lot of water coming from so many rivers and streams. The level of water in the Nara river can rise anytime, so this is a very dangerous place to be. Look at the people thronging over here. Now for the next few seconds, listen to the fan and soothing sound of the water.